Every directory has listings that visitors never find. Not because the listings are bad, but because the visitor described what they wanted differently than the listing owner did. Here is what that looks like. A visitor is looking for Thai food. They search Thailand. The directory has a Thai cooking studio listed, but the word Thailand appears nowhere in its title or description. Keyword search looks for the word, does not find it, and returns nothing. Same search with AI search running behind it. Bangkok Bold Cooking Studio comes up because AI search understands that Bangkok is in Thailand. The listing did not change. The search bar did not change. The visitor just found what they came for. It happens with everyday phrasing too. Someone with a burst pipe searches emergency pipe repair. Your plumber's listing says 24-hour plumbing service. Both mean the same thing, only one of them matches the words. With AI search, the plumber shows up. Your listing owners do not have to guess every phrase a customer might type, and you do not have to rewrite their descriptions for them. One thing worth showing clearly. AI search changes how listings are ranked, not what your filters do. Pick a category, pick a location, set a price range, and those still apply exactly as before. Only listings that match your filters can appear. So you get both, the precision of your filters and results ordered by what the visitor actually meant. Notice what has not changed: same search bar, same filters, same layout. Your visitors have nothing new to learn, and you have nothing to redesign. If you use the universal search extension to search across several directories at once, that keeps working the way it does now. AI search improves the results it returns as well. The two work together. Better search results mean visitors find listings they would have missed, spend longer on your directory, and have a reason to come back. Your listings get seen. Your featured placements land in front of people who actually want them. Directorist AI search runs behind the search you already have. Index your listings once and it works from there. The link to the extension and the setup guide is in the description.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.